What happened?
I just woke up, and what happened to me?
Hey, what happened to me too?
Like, why are we like this? I feel so powerful.
And we both just turned into dragons or something. What happened to us?
Oh yeah, what are these stuff I have? I have a fire extinguisher. Oh, why do I look like this? Oh,
Wait, why do I have a shield and a gun or something?
wait. I have a shield and guns. I have 4 guns. Wait, why do you have a child? I have so much money. I feel unstoppable. Dad?
Wait, let's go to school.
Oh yeah. I hope people didn't bully me there.
They won't bully me because you are helpful.
Okay.
We're both dragons. But we have to hide our wings.
Do you remember that you had a Lamborghini?
Oh, I remember.
Wait. I thought your Lamborghini was in the garage.
Oh, I think the bank's doing
Oh, it's a never mind. You have a Ferrari. Oh, you got a Bugatti. Never mind. This is your Bugatti. Why is your Bugatti like black?
Hey.
Okay, just drive for me. Can you drive?
Okay.
Dad, can you drive for me?
Yeah. You know I know how to drive.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Thanks for driving for me, Dad. Wait, what? What's happening?
I'm so powerful that I can't even jump properly. Wait, let me drive. I don't think anyone's gonna be as good, so
wait, let me just put up the volume.
My son. What?
Oops, sorry. Are there anyone at school?
Give them the
wait, why then? But why they? Wait, why they nobody at school?
Oh, maybe the bank must have stolen or something.
Wait, are they criminals or something?
Yeah,
ooh, I feel so powerful. Dad, do you wanna rob the bank or something? Cause we already got a lot of money, but Dad, where are you?
Hey, I'm drawing.
You're drawing? I'm gonna try and draw too. I'm literally like almost a baby, so don't expect me to draw good. Oh, this drawing sucks.
Oh, hey, you can actually draw pretty good, but... Hey, why are you scribbling all over?
I'm a baby. This looks cool. And now my drawing. Alright, Dad, let's rob a bank. I feel powerful. I think I can defeat the police.
Okay,
let me just get my axe. I need to get my axe. I need to get my thingy for the robbery. And I need to get the key card.
I feel like
nobody needs the key card. I can just summon the key card.
Okay, so let me go rob the bank first.
I don't know where's the key card. Hey, Dad, don't rob the bank without me. Right, Dad, come. I'm gonna drive your Bugatti. Haha, Dad.
You shouldn't break it.
Oh, if I break it, then it's your loss. Let me put the speed to max speed. Then I can drift very, very fast. And this is more like it. Ha! Now we're gonna rob the bank. Because we're unstoppable. Come on, Dad. You slow coach.
Hey,
let's steal the card.
Wait,
then we're gonna rob the bank, right?
We're going pretty low, so let me
Come on, come in.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna let you in. Wait, come, Dad. Oh, Dad, come. Come in.
Okay.
Come in. Dad. Now let's break. Let's put this here. Wait. Let's take the money. Take the money.
Hey,
Take,
why do those?
take it. Take the money.
It's all green. Son, what happened?
Uh-oh, the smoke. Okay, we got the money. Now let's run.
Before the
Run.
police came.
Run.
Wait, let me steal this horse too.
Uh-oh. Ah!
What happened?
I'm sorry, Dad, but I'm gonna leave you.
Hey, don't leave me. Hey, the police came. Oh, you don't go.
Come on. Come in, Dad, quick. You slow coach.
Yeah, you won't leave me. Hey, you
Come back on.
If you even bring my car, I gotta spend a month paying for it again.
Oops. I forgot the drift is so easy to drift.
It's for $5 billion.
$5 billion?
Better not break it.
Whoa!
I told you.
Oh! Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
Hey, if you bring my car, I'm gonna.
Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh! I'm breaking your car. Uh-oh. Imagine if I make it on fire. Uh-oh. Ah! Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm going so fast. Whoop! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Let's come back in the car. It doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter if it's on fire. It will still last long. It's a good car. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh, I broke a tire.
Oh no, I think we can still drive.
Oh! I broke another tire.
You can still drive without tires.
Whoa.
Tires
Oh!
is useless.
Uh-oh, I have only one more tire. Oh! Oh! I can... Oh! Well, I broke all the tires. Oh!
Hey,
Look at this. Ah! I'm so mad.
and this is so stupid. Okay, now I'm gonna pay for a bank to fix my car.
Oh, I'm so mad.
Come. Hey, it's for
Oh my gosh. I hope you see. So I'm gonna see you next time. So bye.